Hello students, today we will study about the hierarchy of classification of living organisms into groups and subgroups. What do a tree, snake, cat, a fish, bear, lion, tiger and a deer have in common? Yes, you are correct. All these are living organisms. With so many living things in the world, scientists have created a way to organize these life forms into groups and give them names that are recognized worldwide. Now, from general to specific, the levels of classification are kingdom, phylum or division. See, phylum is a term used for animals and division is a term used for plants. So kingdom, phylum or division, class, order, family, genus and species. Now how to memorize these levels in sequence? See, you just have to remember a very simple phrase. Keep pot clean, otherwise family gets sick. So keep K will refer to kingdom, pot P will refer to phylum and so on. Let us take a very simple example to study the hierarchy of classification. We will take an example of lion. A lion belongs to the kingdom Animalia. Now Animalia is a group that includes all the animals. The phylum that the lion fits into is called chordates. Now this is a group that consists of every living organism with a backbone. The lion belongs to the class Mammalia. Now Mammalia is a group that consists of animals with hair or fur, and these animals give birth directly without an egg. And they have mammary glands and also a complex brain. The lion belongs to the order Carnivora, which consists of animals that eat meat. A lion belongs to the family Felidae, which refers to a family of cats. A lion is in the genus Panthera, which means big cats. That means domestic cats are not included in it. Finally, we have the level called species. Now animals belonging to the same species can breed and produce babies of their own kind. Lion is in the species named Leo. Lion's specific scientific name will be Panthera leo. For that matter, for any organism, the scientific name consists of the genus followed by their species. For example, the scientific name of human beings is Homo sapiens. Homo is the genus to which human beings belong, and sapiens is the species to which the human beings belong. Children, now I hope the levels of classification are clear to you. Let us just name these levels again. The levels of classification are kingdom, phylum or division, class, order, family, genus and species. These levels are arranged in descending order. That means the largest number of animals will be in the kingdom and the smallest number of animals will be in a species. In this chapter, we will study about the kingdom, phylum for animals and division for plants in detail in the upcoming video lessons.